Hi everyone, my name is Michelle. You're watching part 4 of my series on masking in ZBrush. In the last episode, we looked at how to isolate, mask, and polygroup the lip area including the mouth cavity using curved stroke brush. Today, we will look at how to use Transform Smart Mask, another cool brush to mask in any direction, or in today's tutorial, wrinkles that go any direction we want. Let's open up a new female demo head project by pressing comma. Click on Project and double-click on Female Demo Head. Press F to center the demo head. Turn off perspective by pressing P and turn off symmetry. Then turn on double under display properties. There are two ways you can use Transform Smart Mask. It will wrap the mask around any contour originating from the starting point. Best used for overlapping surfaces where masking directly using a brush is difficult. A good example would be the tongue. Let's isolate the teeth subtool and have a look. Go to Subtools, click on Skin Subtool layer and turn off the eye icon. Or you can click on Teeth Subtool layer and click on Solo button to isolate it. Rotate the model so that you are viewing from the top. Then zoom in and isolate it using the green mask. Ctrl-Shift, click and drag. It will be difficult to isolate the tongue by painting on it or lasso around it, since it is in such close proximity to the teeth. Fortunately for us, ZBrush has a brush called Transport Smart Mask under Brush, Transpose, and Smart Mask. Use keyboard shortcut BTS. Press on Ctrl or Command and left click and drag down with Alpha off. Drag until the mask covers the tongue area you can see. If you drag any further, it will start masking the teeth too. Stop when you have covered the tongue and rotate to view the bottom of your tongue, and you can continue masking the bottom of your tongue by pressing Ctrl, Shift, click and drag down on the unmasked area until you have covered the whole bottom of the tongue. Then press Ctrl or Command W. And that's it. This trick is good for areas which are difficult to lasso, challenging surfaces which overlaps. The second way to use this mask is using Alpha. That's right. One without Alpha, one with Alpha. So simple. Now, let's apply the mask. Unhide all to reveal the skin. Divide the active points to about 2 to 3 million. Since the wrinkles are so fine. Then press comma to open up the light box and click on Alpha. Double click on Leathery Skin 88. We will use this to apply some wrinkles around the eye area. Then holding down Ctrl, click and drag on the model and hold. Click and drag on the model and hold. Now watch the top left corner. There's an indication of the size or units and the angle. The cool part about this mask is you can adjust the angle and size accurately on the model if you need to. The anchor point is at the top or bottom middle of the mask, depending on if you drag up or down. Press spacebar to move the starting point. Then you can turn it left or right to whatever angle you want to fit into your model. Wrinkles around the eye usually begins just after the eyelids and runs toward the hairline as shown in this image. Unlike the regular rectangular mask, I can scale it and move it around, but I can't pivot it to any angle I want. Using BTS, I can turn it upwards or downward. left or right. One downside though, or maybe you can call it a feature, is if you scale it too big and you want to go smaller, you will end up skewing your mask. Like this wrinkle alpha, if I scale it up and then I want to scale it down again, it becomes elongated and flat. It can be a feature though, depending on how you want your mask to turn out. I'm not sure how to remedy this, but I think undo and redo the mask is the way to go for now. Alright, if you learned something new, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. The next video, I will show you more ways to mask in ZBrush. Probably after a video on navigating and saving files, so that we don't have to keep pressing P, pressing F, and pressing double. See you in the next video. Bye!